In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history in Elevenlabs. To get started, open your Elevenlabs dashboard and make sure you are fully logged in so you can access all of the available tools and settings. Once you are on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that menu, select Text-to-Speech. This will take you into the section where your generated audio and related activity can be viewed and managed. If you've created multiple clips over time, this is usually where your recent history is easiest to access. After the text-to-speech page opens, move your attention to the right side of the screen and click the History button. This will open the area where your previously generated audio clips are stored. Take a moment here to review the list, especially if you only want to remove certain items instead of clearing everything. Next, click Manage History. This puts the history list into a mode where you can select individual clips for deletion. Once you are in Manage mode, check the boxes next to the audio clips you want to remove. This is useful if you only want to clean up specific files while keeping the rest of your history intact. If your goal is to delete all of your history, you can use the Select All button before continuing. This is the fastest option when you want to clear everything at once. Just keep in mind that this action is permanent, so it's a good idea to quickly confirm that there isn't anything in your history you may want to keep for later. Once the clips are deleted, they won't be recoverable. When you are ready, click the Trash Delete icon to remove the selected audio clips. After that, your chosen history items will be deleted from the Account History section. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.